Hello guys, so today I'm going to review the Indian Geography book by Dr. Kullar. It is very essential book for geography optional students and it covers the entire syllabus of paper 2 geography. As you know, paper 2 is related to Indian geography and its name suggests India a comprehensive geography, and this book has been written from the Indian geography perspective, and the best thing of this book is that their diagrammatic representation. It's a bulky book, but there's no substitute of this book, and it covers entire Indian geography very beautifully. I bought this book from Amazon in a 500 rupees, but you can buy from market also, but in my city it is not available, so I bought from Amazon. Let's me check the content of this book. So the one is introduction, then geological structure, physiography, drainage, climate, then natural vegetation, soils, natural hazards, environment, population composition, migration, regional development, water resources, irrigation, multiple project, land utilization, then agriculture, major cross mineral, energy resources, foreign trade, transport, tourism, manufacturing industry. So this was the content of this book. So the chapter 1 is introduction. As you can see, it's a very bulky book, but it is very important. One of the best thing I found in this book that it covers optional as well as some portion of GS also. Like it covers GS3 agriculture portion very beautifully. So now I'm just trying to explain you pros and cons of this book. First of all, I just explain you the pros of this book. Number 1, it covers entire topic of the paper 2. Number 2, diagram of this book is very good, so you can directly use these diagram in your answer. And third, it gives a lot of data, fact. So these are the pros of this book. Now we are come to cons. So the cons are very less, but have that it is very bulky book. You cannot read and revise the whole book, and if you have very limited time, then you will have a problem. So what I do in my first reading, I read the full chapter, and along with I also been highlighted the lines which I found very important, and I take down all diagrams in my note which I found very important. And for this I follow a different strategy, that I have decided that my first reading will be the last reading for this book, because the syllabus of this option is very vast and I have to complete in a right time. Therefore I read it very well for the first time, and whatever I feel is important, I make a note of it or highlighted it. Along with I take down some important fact and figures in my notebook. After doing all this, I never get to book for that topic again, and if I have a time, I will read again, otherwise I will not read this book again. So rather than reading, I will revise my notes in a multiple time. So that is all about of this book, and if you like my review, then please subscribe my channel and bell icon. And I'm also a geography optional student, so if you have any doubt regarding any topic, you can ask me through comment, and if I have time, I will try my best to solve your problem. So take care and keep reading, and thanks for watching my videos. So I just show you the full book.